Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Indian Kitchen Abroad. This week we are going to make yogurt. You need only 2 ingredients for this, whole milk and yogurt. Yeah, you need yogurt to make yogurt. You can use store-bought yogurt as a starter. Add 1 liter of whole milk to a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer. To be precise, bring it to a temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Give it a gentle stir once in a while. You don't want this to come to a rolling boil. If the milk comes to a boil, the yogurt will have grainy bits of milk proteins, which you don't want. As soon as it comes to that 180 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, take it off the heat and let it come down to a temperature of around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 48 degrees Celsius, slightly warmer than lukewarm temperature. Add 4 tablespoons of yogurt to the milk at this temperature. Make sure the yogurt you are using has a label that says live and active cultures. Add some milk to the yogurt to homogenize and add this mixture back to the milk and give it a gentle mix. When you're adding the yogurt, make sure the temperature is around 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 48 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, the cultures will not activate and you may not get good yogurt. Now pour this into the containers, partially cover them and let this ferment at room temperature or at a slightly warmer temperature for 8 to 12 hours. The best place would be the oven with just the light turned on, or you can just leave it at room temperature. It has been 10 hours and that's yogurt. If you want Greek yogurt, all you need to do is strain this through a cheesecloth and a strainer. Let all that liquid drain. Don't squeeze it. Just let it drip down naturally. It may look like I'm squeezing, but I'm not. And that's Greek yogurt. You can make many good things with yogurt. Obviously, you can use it in marinades, smoothies, curries, or just eat it plain. Or add some granola, fruits, and some honey and make yourself a good breakfast or a snack. People say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I actually don't believe in that. But if you are in market for a grab and go breakfast or a snack, get a couple of jars like this and prepare these overnight for the next day. Add some granola, fruit, yogurt, any sweetener. I'm adding honey. You can add some maple syrup or agave and top it off with more fruit and some granola. You can add oats, chia seeds or protein powder, basically anything. Just customize it with whatever you have in your kitchen. I'm using strawberries, blueberries and a banana as fruits. I'm not a grab and go guy. I'm eating this on a Saturday afternoon. Just mix everything lightly and it's good to eat. Raisins also go really well with this, especially with the banana one. And I don't have to tell you this is really good. It's just fruit and yogurt. That's it for today guys. Now go make your own yogurt. Hope you liked the video. If you did, drop a like, share the video and consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.